We're installing this Tacoma light on the back of a factory Tacoma. Takes a 10 millimeter, remove the two bolts. Upper bolt and the lower bolt of the two. Once this is out, remove your tail lights. These have been loosened already. Pull your factory bulbs out. Pull the factory bulbs out. And on the back of this one, these are simulated lights, simulated bulbs. Plug those into the corresponding plug. This one goes to the lower one. Push it in. This one goes to the next one. Push it in. And the next one. Now before you install it, test the lights. We're going to get the guy to turn his lights on real quick. We're going to test them to make sure we have brake lights. Need brake lights? Turn signal. Turn signal's not working, so what we have to do is flip the light bulb. Flip the plug over. Turn signal. Okay. Turn signal. There we go. Brake light. Flip the wrong one. Brake. There we go. And reverse. And the lights work. So now that we've tested all the lights, we're going to go ahead and install them. Give me a pause.